Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nelo here, as always, with a very beautiful face. Okay, but I'm not going to tell you guys to tell me that I'm looking fine, but you guys already know what to do. You guys already know what to do. The wig I'm going to be showing you guys today is from UniceHair. You guys, I love UniceHair. I've worked with them like a number of times this year. So this is the pack that it came with. I love this color. I don't know, like this color is one of my favorite colors, the color of this pack. So when you open it, oh, it comes with a lot of things. When you open up the bag, it's a headband wig, so you're going to get a bunch of headbands. Like there is 1, 2, 3, so there are 3 headbands. This is what they look like. Then you're going to get a wig cap. This is what the wig cap looks like. I think this is one I'll probably use. I love this one. I love the color. So there is this headband. Then there is lashes. This is UniceHair eyelash. This is what it looks like. Nice. And then finally it has stick-on nails. You guys, it came with a stick-on nails. I'm going to use this. I'm about to remove what I have on now, so I'll probably just use this for a while. I love this headband. It's so dressy. Like this kind of headband you wear when you're going somewhere serious. It's really dressy. Like, you know, it's not the headband you wear when you're wearing something very casual, okay? But it comes with this headband, and then you find the wig. Inside the wig, there's another headband. This is the headband that was inside the wig. So you guys, oh my gosh! I'm sorry, I'm screaming. I shouldn't scream, but this hair looks so good. It's a headband with, okay, first of all, it's a headband wig. So this is what the band looks like. Is, you know, you guys already know headband wigs, okay? Nothing new. But then this hair, oh my gosh, can you guys see this? Can you see how silky this looks? Look at the length. Look at the length. Can you see how silky, how nice this looks? Is it only my eyes? No, seriously, this can't only be my eyes. This looks so good. This looks so good. I can't wait to try this on. I'm definitely not coiling this hair. I'm probably going to just straighten it to make it bone straight. See, this is bone straight hair. Tell yourself, see, I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know if it's not in your mind, that's your business. This is bone straight hair. This looks good. This looks so good. So silky, so rich. It feels really rich. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use edge control on my hair. You guys already know this is the same edge control I always use. This one is from, is it BioCare? Anyways, this is what the edge control looks like. So that's the edge control I'm going to use. Nothing spectacular. I'm not going to, you know, try to do baby hair and all that. I'm just going to brush it all back just so it sticks and it looks good when I wear the wig. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put on this wig. This is quite fast. Oh, I love this hair. Like, no, I wasn't expecting this. I'm not even going to lie. This is so good. So anyways, it comes with clips inside. You guys can see these clips so that you can use to secure it. So when you secure your hair with these clips, it doesn't fall off. No matter how much you shake your hair, it won't fall off, okay? So always make a habit of securing your hair with these clips, because when you use the headband alone, sometimes without the clip, it will fall off. When you're trying to dance, yeah, your wig is gonna be on the floor. So try to secure it. So what I do basically, I use the clip and I hold it. So you guys can see I've secured this particular one with the clip so that when I put on the headband, it will look something like this. Then I'm going to do the same with all the sides where it has clips. I'm going to secure it first before I then put down the band. So when you brush it out, this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it because I want it to look like bone straight but headband, okay? I just finished straightening it. Seriously, this looks so good. You can coil this if you want, but I just feel like carrying straight hair today. I'm going out to, you know, run some errands, and I feel like straight hair. I'm in the mood for straight hair. Let me just put it that way. I'm in the mood for straight hair. No, this feels so silky. Can you guys see this? Like seriously, can you see how silky this feels? Can you see this? No, this feels really good. I feel like that's what I like about headband wigs the most. You know, they are easy to use. You can play around them. You can play around different styles. I'm going to go ahead and just try to style this hair just like one style using the headband, so you guys will see how it will come out. So basically, yeah, I was looking for my comb. So basically, to do that, I'm going to pat the hair just a little bit around here. Okay, I'm going to pat it here, comb the rest back, then comb this one to the front. This is so simple. This looks so simple. I don't know if you guys can see, but this actually looks so simple, and it wasn't even hard to do. It took me literally 1 minute to get this style done. So you guys saw me, I just brought out some part in the front, put it at the back of my ears. If you want, you can tuck it behind your headband, but because I'm about to change the style, I don't want to go through that stress, and this is what it looks like.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face.
You guys, I just love how simple this hair looks. You guys just saw me put it on. Like, it didn't take me anything. It didn't remove anything from my body. It was so simple to use, so easy, feels so good. Like, so good. I'm just here feeling myself. I can't wait to go out. I actually have one errand to run, but I feel like I have to look for more things to do. Like, I don't have to go to my children's school looking this bump, okay? Anyways, like I said, this wig is from UniceHair, and all their details are going to be in my description down below. So please check it out. I love UniceHair. I've worked with them a number of times this year, like I already said, and I trust them and the quality of their wigs. So please check it out. Yeah, you're going to love this hair. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here,